Hi, this is two colour screen printing. So trace through the first stencil, move it out the way and colour it in. Then draw your second design around it and mark that design with an X so you know where to cut. Don't forget about the smooth, safe slices when you're cutting, and cut out the second design. Line it up to check that it fits. Hooray, it worked! Then slice off the edges with your smooth, safe slices. Remember the tools: spoon, ink, squeegee, screen, and the original screen print. Line it up, your new stencil. Tape it down, top and bottom I've done on this one, so it stays firmly in place. And then place the screen on top. You can see I've got the spoon ready to go, and then you can print again. So again, take a little scoop out and just lay it on top, smearing it across a little bit. That should roughly be about enough ink. Get your squeegee, pull down towards you, flip it around and pull back up. In a minute, you're going to see what happens when you don't quite fill all of the holes. So take a look at this. So I use a little bit more to dab on and pull down. Exactly. Now this ink is very precious, so I just wanted to show you here to make sure you scrape it off and put it back in the pot so it lasts a long time. Don't want to make it go to waste. Pull it off. Now you need to carefully peel off the tape. Ta-da! And there is your two colour screen print.